Introducing Pronteau 3-in-1 taps from Abode. Offering you all the benefits of your standard kitchen tap with the addition of instant steaming hot filtered water. All from one single stylish tap. All Pronteau 3-in-1 taps feature a dual stage safety handle for safe and easy use of steaming hot water, and an energy-saving cold start valve as standard, meaning no unnecessary demand for hot water when it's not needed, saving you money. Our innovative 3-in-1 collection is available in 2 design styles and 5 finishes. So, however you choose to use it, a Pronteau 3-in-1 tap is the perfect addition to any home or small office, giving you water just the way you want it, instantly. 3-in-1 Pronteau taps from Abode. Cold, hot, 98 degrees, water the way you want it. Pronteau 3-in-1 by Abode.
This is Omni from Franke. One tap that does it all. Cold water from the mains, of course, and hot water from your home heating system naturally. But what's really wonderful is that this same kitchen tap also delivers delicious, freshly filtered drinking water. So no more need for filter jugs or expensive bottled water. And if you think that's refreshing, Omni also delivers instant boiling water. Not nearly boiling water like some other taps, but really boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius, which can really help speed up cooking. Or help make the perfect cup of tea. Sounds expensive? Well, Omni is actually more affordable than other taps that don't deliver fully boiling water. It's easy to install, takes up little space, and works with your existing plumbing. It even has a built-in cut-off switch to keep the whole family safe. Omni from Franke. One tap does it all.